Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to TM Animation. Before starting the video, I want to give a special shout out to our viewer Flare077 for suggesting Venom as our next video. Your comment is invaluable to us and we are grateful for your support. If anyone wants something, then don't hesitate to comment. I will surely make another video on the topic. Please guys watch the video till end. First of all, let's see how Venom and Carnage character looks. Creating captivating animations often requires the perfect characters to bring your stories to life. And when it comes to embodying raw power, intensity, and sheer chaos, there's no better duo than Venom and Carnage. But finding high quality downloads for these characters can be a real challenge. That's where we come in. We have scoured the depths of the internet to bring you the top-notch Venom and Carnage character packs for drawing cartoons too. Say goodbye to endless searching and hello to seamless animation. Now let's come to the download tutorial. For downloading these great characters, head over to my description and click the download link, then scroll down unless you will find the download button, then download these characters one by one. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and make sure to follow my website for new and amazing content. One thing we are forgetting, if you don't know how to import these downloaded characters into DC2, then don't forget to watch my this video from description. But wait, the excitement doesn't stop there. If you want to take your animations to the next level, be sure to check out our incredible downloads, including the top 6 Hulk character pack, the DC2 effects pack, and the entire Avengers pack. Before we wrap up, don't miss out on the action-packed adventures awaiting you in drawing cartoons too. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like, and share this video with your fellow animators. Until next time, happy animating!